Multiplying numbers. Read the problem, then answer the questions that follow. Jade will give his 3 friends 12 attas each. How many attas altogether will he give his friends? Who will give attas? Jade. How many friends did Jade give attas? 3 friends. How many attas did Jade give each friend? 12 attas. How many attas altogether did Jade give? 3 friends received 12 attas each. 3 times 12 equals 36. We can get the answer using repeated addition or by using distributive property. But the process of multiplying numbers using distributive property and repeated addition is considered a long method, especially if large numbers are involved like 3-digit numbers. This time, you will learn the basic rules of multiplying 2 to 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number without or with regrouping. Just like addition and subtraction, it would be easy to multiply large numbers by aligning them in vertical column. After you arrange the 2 numbers vertically with the multiplicand place above the multiplier, multiply the 1-digit multiplier to each digit of the multiplicand from right to left, starting from ones place then to the tens place. Multiply the ones. 2 times 3 equals 6. Align the product in ones place. Multiply the tens with ones. 1 times 3 equals 3. Place the product in tens place. The product is 36. When you observe that as you multiply the 1-digit number to each digit on the right of the leftmost digit of the multiplicand and its result is less than 10, then the process of multiplication needs no regrouping. Let's try this example. Arrange the 2 numbers vertically with the multiplicand place above the multiplier. Multiply the 1-digit multiplier to each digit of the multiplicand from right to left, starting from ones place then to the tens place and extend up to the hundreds place if exist. Multiply both ones. 4 times 3 equals 12. Write 1 above the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Multiply the tens and the ones. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 add 1 equals 16. Write 1 in the hundreds place and 6 in the tens place. The product is 162. Example 3. 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Let's read the problem. Mary Lou sells attas in trays with 12 attas on each tray. If she sells 13 trays of attas, how many attas did she sell? In solving the problem, the easiest way to find the answer is by using the shortcut method of multiplication. Step 1. Write the factors vertically. Step 2. Multiply the multiplicand by the ones in the multiplier. Regroup if necessary. Write the product with its rightmost digit aligned in the ones column. 2 times 3 equals 6. Next, 1 times 3 equal 3. Step 3. Multiply the multiplicand by the tens in the multiplier. Write the product with its rightmost digit aligned in the tens column. 2 times 1 equals 2. Next. 1 times 1 equals 1. Step 4. Add the two partial products. Bring down 6. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Bring down 1. There are 156 addis in 13 trays. Mary Lou sells 156 addis. Example 4. Here is an example of two-digit number by two-digit numbers using the short method with regrouping. 25 times 13. Step 1. Write the factors vertically. Step 2. Multiply the multiplicand by the ones in the multiplier. Regroup if necessary. Write the product with its rightmost digit aligned in the ones column. 5 times 3 equals 15. Carry over 1 in its tens place and bring down 5 in the ones place. Next. 2 times 3 equals 6. Add 1 equals 7. Step 3. Multiply the multiplicand by the tens in the multiplier. Regroup if necessary. Write the product with its rightmost digit aligned in the tens column. 5 times 1 equals 5. Next. 2 times 1 equals 2. Step 4. Add the two partial products. Bring down 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Carry over 1 to the hundred place. Bring down 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The final product is 325. Multiply 2 to 3-digit numbers with multiples of 10 and 100. The process of multiplying 2 to 3-digit numbers with multiples of 10 and 100 can easily be learned if you already mastered your knowledge in multiplying 2 to 3-digit numbers by one-digit number. In multiplying numbers with multiples of 10 and 100, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Take the number in multiples of 10 as the multiplier. Step 2. Multiply only the non-zero digit of the multiplier to the multiplicand. 7 times 1 equals 7. 1 times 1 equals 1. Step 3. Add the number of zeros of the multiplier to the partial product in step 2. We have 1 0. The final product is 170. Let's try this example. 100 times 38. Let's follow the step we use in the previous example. Step 1. Take the number in multiples of 10 as the multiplier. 100 will be our multiplier. Step 2. Multiply only the non-zero digit of the multiplier to the multiplicand. 8 times 1 equals 8. 3 times 1 equals 3. Step 3. Add the number of zeros of the multiplier to the partial product in step 2. We have 2 0. The final product is 3,800. Let's have another example. 40 times 70. Let's follow the step we use in the previous example. Step 1. Take the number in multiples of 10 as the multiplier. Both factors are multiples of 10. Let's choose 70 as our multiplier. Step 2. Multiply only the non-zero digit of the multiplier to the non-zero digit of the multiplicand. 4 times 7 equals 28. Step 3. Add the number of zeros of the multiplier and multiplicand to the partial product in step 2. We have 2 0. The final product is 2800. Multiply 1 to 2-digit numbers by 1000. Using the number sentence, 1000 by 14 equals. Step 1. Count how many zeros are there in 1000. There are 3 zeros. Step 2. Find the number to be multiplied to 1000. That number is 14. Step 3. Add the number of zeros to the number to be multiplied to 1000. 14 add 3 zeros. The product is 14,000. Notice that when multiplying 1 to 2-digit number by 10, just add 0 to the number. By 100, just add 2 zeros to the number. By 1000, just add 3 zeros to the number. Find each product. A. Show your solutions. Write your partial products on the boxes. B. Give the product of each. Find each product. Solve these problems. Show your solution and answer on another sheet of paper.